Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Boost Hub.
Hello everyone. I'm excited to learn something new today.
Ryan, let me ask you an honest question.
Sure.
When someone speaks English to you, what happens inside your mind?
First, I understand the sentence.
Then,
I think about the answer in Hindi.
and after that,
I translate it into English.
does that take time?
Yes, sometimes 5 or 10 seconds.
And how does the other person react?
They think I don't know English.
But that's not true.
Exactly.
Your English isn't weak.
Then what's the problem?
Your translation habit is slowing you down.
I never thought about it like that.
Today, we're going to break that habit.
Is it really possible?
Yes, but first, you need to stop trusting translation.
I'm ready.
Great. Let's start with something very simple. Ryan, don't think about grammar.
Okay.
Don't think about difficult vocabulary.
All right.
Just answer my questions immediately.
I'll try.
What's your favorite color?
Blue.
Did you translate?
No.
What's your favorite fruit?
Mango.
Did you translate?
No.
What's your favorite season?
Winter.
That was very fast.
Because the answers came naturally.
Exactly.
I didn't need Hindi.
Your brain already knows many English words.
I never realized that.
Most learners know more English than they think.
Then why do we still translate?
Because we've trained our brain to depend on Hindi.
So today we're changing that habit.
Exactly.
Sophia, I always thought grammar was my biggest problem.
Grammar is important
Then why can't I speak?
because you're waiting for the perfect sentence.
That's true.
Let me ask you something.
Go ahead.
When a child starts speaking, does the child know grammar?
No.
Does the child translate?
No.
Then how does the child speak?
By listening and speaking.
Exactly.
So fluency comes before perfection.
Yes.
I've been learning in the wrong order.
Today, you're changing that
I already feel different.
because your mindset is changing. Ryan, close your eyes.
Okay,
Imagine an apple.
I can see it.
Did you think of the Hindi word?
No,
What did you see?
just an apple.
Exactly.
That's interesting.
Your brain understands pictures faster than words.
So I should think in pictures
Yes,
instead of translating.
exactly.
Let me try another one.
Go ahead.
A dog,
Good.
a bicycle,
Excellent.
a classroom.
Perfect.
This feels much easier.
Because you're thinking directly.
Sophia, today I learned something important.
What did you learn?
Translation is not helping me.
That's right.
It's actually slowing me down.
Exactly.
From today, I want to answer quickly.
Even if your English is imperfect,
Yes,
that's the right attitude.
I'll use simple words.
Good.
I'll stop searching for difficult vocabulary.
Excellent.
I'll trust the English I already know.
Wonderful.
I feel more confident now.
Confidence grows with action.
I'm ready to practice more.
Great.
Let's continue.
Yes, every small conversation from now on will help you stop translating and start speaking naturally.
Sophia, I have a question.
Go ahead.
What if I don't know the perfect word?
Then don't use the perfect word.
Really?
Yes,
But won't that sound strange?
not at all.
Then what should I do?
Use the words you already know,
Even if they're simple.
especially if they're simple.
I always try to impress people.
Don't impress them.
Then what should I do?
Express yourself.
There's a big difference.
Exactly.
So communication is more important than perfection.
Always remember that.
I think I understand now.
Good, let's continue. Ryan, have you noticed something?
What?
You always pause before speaking.
Yes,
Why?
because I'm checking my grammar.
Does that help?
Not really.
It only makes you slower.
That's true.
Fluent speakers don't check every sentence.
They just speak.
Exactly.
But what if I make a mistake?
Correct it and move on.
That's simple.
Speaking is like walking.
How?
You don't stop after every step to check if it was perfect.
That's a great example.
English works the same way.
I'll stop waiting for perfect grammar. Sophia, how can I train my brain every day?
Start with small thoughts.
What do you mean?
Think about everything in English.
Like what?
I'm thirsty.
That's easy.
I'm opening the door.
Okay,
I'm checking my phone.
I can do that.
It's a beautiful day.
These are very simple.
Simple thoughts create fluent speakers.
I never thought practice could be this easy.
The best practice is part of your daily life.
So I don't need special study time?
Not for this exercise.
I'll start today. Sophia, I watch English videos every day,
That's good,
but I still translate.
because you're listening the wrong way.
What's the right way?
Listen for meaning.
Not every single word.
Exactly.
Can you give me an example?
If someone says, I'm running late.
I shouldn't translate each word.
No.
I should understand the whole idea.
Perfect.
That makes listening much easier.
And much faster.
I think that's what fluent speakers do.
Yes, they focus on the message.
I'll practice listening differently from now on. Sophia, something has changed today.
Tell me,
I'm speaking faster.
why do you think that is?
Because I'm not translating every sentence anymore.
That's wonderful.
I still make a few mistakes. That's completely normal. But I'm no longer afraid.
Confidence comes from practice.
I finally understand that.
What's the biggest lesson you've learned?
English isn't about perfect words.
Then what is it about?
It's about sharing my thoughts.
Exactly.
And the more I speak,
The more natural it becomes.
I can actually feel the difference.
That's because you're building a new habit, one conversation at a time.
Sophia, can I tell you something?
Of course.
Today, I answered my friend's question immediately.
Really?
Yes.
Did you translate first?
No.
Then what happened?
The answer came naturally.
That's excellent.
I didn't even notice it at first.
That's because your brain is changing.
I felt relaxed.
Relaxed people speak better.
I wasn't afraid of making mistakes.
That's another big improvement.
I think confidence comes from speaking,
Exactly.
not from memorizing rules.
You've learned an important lesson,
I finally believe I can become fluent.
and you're already on the right path.
Sophia, sometimes I still get stuck.
That's normal.
What should I do?
Stop thinking in words.
Then how should I think?
Think in ideas.
Can you explain?
Imagine you're hungry.
Okay.
Don't think, how do I translate this?
Then?
Simply think, I'm hungry.
That's much easier.
Exactly.
So the idea comes first.
Yes,
The sentence follows naturally.
that's how fluent speakers think.
I never knew that.
Now you do.
I'll practice thinking in ideas every day.
That's a great habit.
Sophia, what if people laugh at my English?
Let me ask you a question.
Sure.
When a child learns to speak, do people laugh?
No.
Why?
Because everyone knows the child is learning.
Exactly.
I'm learning too.
That's right.
So I shouldn't be afraid.
Never.
Every mistake teaches me something.
Exactly.
Every conversation makes me better.
Yes.
Every day brings new confidence.
Keep believing in yourself.
I will. Sophia, if I forget everything we discussed today, what is the one rule I should remember?
Remember this.
I'm listening.
Don't translate.
That's it.
Yes.
It sounds simple.
Simple things create big changes.
So whenever I speak,
Trust your English,
even if it's simple,
especially if it's simple.
speak first.
Correct mistakes later.
Keep the conversation moving.
Exactly.
I think this is the secret.
It really is.
Sophia, today's lesson changed the way I think.
I'm happy to hear that.
I used to believe I needed perfect English.
And now,
Now I know I need regular practice.
that's the biggest difference.
I won't translate anymore.
Wonderful.
I'll think directly in English.
Excellent.
I'll use simple words.
Great.
I'll speak without fear.
That's the spirit.
I know I'll still make mistakes,
Everyone does.
but I won't stop speaking.
That's how fluency is built.
Thank you for guiding me.
It was my pleasure.
And thank you, everyone, for learning with us today.
Remember, every fluent speaker started exactly where you are today.
Stop translating.
Start thinking.
Start speaking.
Keep practicing every day, and your English will improve one conversation at a time.